G'day, Tomo from Tomo's Tune-Ups. This episode is proudly sponsored by Minisport, and on today's episode we are going to be talking about little Tomo's tech tip when rebuilding an engine, especially when it has a timing case breather like this. So inside this breather is some metal gauze. It's essentially just steel wool. Well, this is stainless wool anyway. What you need to do is when you are rebuilding this, it is important to make sure that you remove the retaining circlip that sits inside there. So it's a little bit of fandoogling. You have to pull it out with a set of pliers, pull it out, pull all the old gauze out, give it a complete clean. As you can see, this got a little bit of surface rust on it because it has been sitting around for a little bit. This is going on an engine that I'm currently building, which you can see on my channel. Once you've pulled it all out, everything's clean, you then want to go down to your local supermarket and get some new gauze, refit it inside here, refit it with the spring. That way you can ensure that when you reassemble it, it's going to breathe nice and easy, there's no loose debris in there, and most importantly, it's going to limit the amount of oil inside your intake system. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to check out the episode on the 1330 engine build, and we'll see you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.